Can a nurse legally work as a health coach? Short answer, yes. The longer answer is the part that protects your license, so stay with me for 2 minutes. Here's where the confusion starts. The moment that you hold a nursing license, you carry a scope of practice that a coach without a license simply does not. That does not switch off when you start coaching. It travels with you. So the real question was never whether you're allowed to coach. It's which hat you're wearing while you do it. Inside of your licensed role, you're a nurse. You're held to your board's rules. When you contract with someone purely as a coach, you're in the coaching lane. That's education, support, helping people to reach goals that they set for themselves. 2 different lanes. The trouble starts when they blur, when you slide into assessing, diagnosing, or directing care while you're supposed to be coaching. Keeping the word nurse in your title can be a real advantage. People trust it, you've earned it, but it runs both ways. The more that you lean on nurse, the more a board can hold you to nursing standards, including across state lines, which is a whole video on its own. Now, some coaches keep the credential front and center, and they stay careful to behave inside of coaching. Others separate the two completely. Neither's wrong. What matters is choosing on purpose instead of drifting into it. None of this is legal advice, and your state board has the final say. But the principle holds anywhere that you practice. Know the role that you're in. Keep your words inside of that role. And if you want a fast way to check yourself before you post or speak, I put together a free 3-question scope check. It's 1 page, 30 seconds. Run any sentence through it. The link is in the description. Knowing the line, you will stop guessing. So subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.